Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of this Mazda series. Today me and Henry are going to clean and protect this interior. And if you haven't seen part 1 where we washed off a year of dirt and grime off the vehicle, you should check that out. And part 2 where we clay polished and protected this ride.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I have AJ and we're going to be showing you guys how to properly clean interiors on any type of vehicle using one simple product. It's our newest and latest greater product. It just has a different scent, which is going to be Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. It's a ripe black cherry scent. We took our original Total Interior and we infused it with a cherry scent. So like this, you basically have a cherry scent left behind whenever you clean your interior. So how to use it? All you need to use is a premium microfiber towel, like a workhorse microfiber towel or any of our microfiber towels that we have. And we also have a boar's hair detailing brush. Now AJ, we have a boar's hair detailing brush just in case you want to get some dust out of the vents. You just simply rub it back and forth. And that, yes AJ, that is correct. You do not want to use Total Interior with a brush because like this you'll cause gunk. So the boar's hair detailing brush is going to be used dry just to get out all the nooks and crannies. That's where dust lives. Okay. So Total Interior works on multiple different surfaces such as your glass, your navigation screen, your interiors, buttons, your control stocks, your vinyl, your plastic. Like this, you eliminate multiple different products just using one simple product. So AJ, if we notice this interior has not been protected whatsoever, I just talked to the owner and he said it's been sitting for 8 months. Yeah. In a garage. It has not been touched, and you guys can see how much dust has been accumulating inside its garage. So over time, if you do not clean this up, the dust is going to penetrate deep into the pores of the fabric, the vinyl, the plastic, whatever it's sitting on, and it's going to discolor. So you guys already noticed right here, there's already some discoloration happening right here. That is just because the UV rays might have already got into it, or we could also prevent it. It could also be sunscreen, but whenever you're working on interior, we always recommend wearing gloves because you do not know what you're getting into. And look, after me rubbing this, you guys can see how my gloves turn. That is just all dust, and it's actually very bad for yourself because say you're driving down the highway, you're driving down the street, you might turn on your AC, and all that dust is blowing in your face. Jeez. But guys, enough talking, time to show you guys how to use it. So before you use it, you want to just shake it up to get the proper mixture, you get the proper scent. Once you already shook the bottle, now it's time to spray it directly onto a towel. So the reason why I don't personally like spraying directly onto a dashboard is because one, there's a speaker here, there's vents here, and I don't want to get overspray. So, and I also don't want to get overspray on the glass, even though it does work on glass, but I don't want to get it. So now I'll just get a premium microfiber towel. 1, 2, 3, and if I need more, I'll apply more as I need. Now I'll go to the area I'm working on. I'm gonna try to give you guys a 50-50. You can see how Total Interior is going to diminish this dust. I'll come right here, I'll wipe in one direction, and you guys can see the amazing cleaning properties that Total Interior has. Total Interior is a cleaner and protectant that not only is it going to bring back how it's once looked, but it's also going to leave behind a protectant layer just in case if you don't have tints on your car is protected from the interior and your dashboard will not crack over time. So you guys already noticed I buffed off the residue and immediately you get this OEM finish. Yes, that is correct. Total Interior does not deliver any type of shine whatsoever. Total Interior is just going to deliver an original OEM finish just how you got it from the factory. And after spraying it, you could already smell the scent. It smells just like cherry. It's basically you're getting an air freshener and a cleaner all in one. So I just cleaned it. It's now clean. It's no longer dusty. It's now restored. So AJ, show them how to clean that side same exact way. So it's so simple. As long as you follow the steps I'm giving them, you will be able to clean anything on your interior.
Of course.
So just spray and wipe.
1, 2, 3, and then we'll go ahead and clean this part right here. Wipe it.
And how you guys see, AJ is actually rolling his towel. The reason why he's rolling his towel is because he doesn't want to be rubbing the same amount of dust that was sitting on his dashboard all over the dashboard. So after he finished applying it, he flips over to a clean side, buff off the residue, and like this, his interior is now clean and protected, and the owner can see how much cleaner it looks. It's no longer dusty all over the place. So now you guys saw how we cleaned up the dashboard. You're gonna be following the same exact steps around the whole entire dashboard. But one other thing you guys might see is the navigation screen, and you guys can see all the fingerprints that is left behind whenever you're using your fingers. So how do you clean it? Same exact way. You just grab a premium microfiber towel, you'll spray, and I just want to show you guys how easy. So one spray, and I'll give you guys a 50-50. One spray, and I wipe it back and forth, and immediately Total Interior removes all the fingerprints left behind on the navigation screen. So like this, your navigation screen does not have fingerprints. It looks a lot better, and there's no type of glare or dust sitting on it. And like this, you do not scratch it whatsoever. So now there's vents, there's buttons. What I like to do before I clean using Total Interior, I grab my board share detailing brush. I just lightly go over it, and this is going to knock out all the loose grime and debris that is sitting in the cracks. So whenever I come with Total Interior, it's just simply going to remove it a lot easier. If you guys want to see a better understanding how it looks whenever you remove it, up here you guys can see I am accumulating everything in one area. So I moved everything from over there to right here just using a dry brush. And yes, that is correct, you could also use a dry brush. So look, I'm just constantly moving it over, and this is just removing everything. But now you need to keep this in mind. Where does that dust go? That dust could end up in your side bristles. It could end up on your dashboard. This is why I already have some Total Interior in here. You come and you wipe it off, and now you got trapped in the microfiber towel. So later on, whenever we clean our microfiber towels, it'll be releasing the washer, and now it's in a safe place and it's not all over the place. So guys, let me just finish clean up the rest of this interior with AJ, and then we'll show you guys the results after using Total Interior bright black cherry scent, and then you guys will love the result. Let's get started. So we just finished up cleaning up the whole interior, AJ. We just need to do the door panels, the back seats, door panels, and then after that, it's gonna be your favorite part, which is going to be applying
HydroThread.
Awesome. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're now in the back seat of this Mazda, and we're going to be showing you guys how to properly apply HydroThread. So the surface is now clean, there's no more dirt, there's no more grime sitting on it, and as simple as just a spray-on coating, that's how simple it is to apply. So just shake up the product to get the proper mixture. Now you'll go to the area, and no, you do not want to be this close to apply it. You want to be a little bit farther away. Just lightly mist it on the area you are working on, and then you'll let it sit, you'll let it cure, and then you'll come back and apply a second coating within 15 minutes. So you could also apply this on your carpet, you could apply this on your fabric seats, you could apply this on a fabric chair. So like this, anything that might land on it that might be liquid is just simply going to glide right off. So guys, if you guys liked the video today, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. If you would like to pick up any of these products today, from t-shirts, from products that we use in this video, from applicators, from towels, you can hop on our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or you can stop by your local detail garage and pick them up there. I'm Henry, and I'm gonna showcase to you guys how to properly apply it around the rest of the vehicle in this montage. Let's get started.